dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to analyze the risk of 21st July full moon. This is very risky full moon. I see risky regions in California and Ukraine. I am going to make second video about why this full moon is risky for Ukraine. Now, in this video, I'm talking about why this is risky for California state and why this risk is about earthquake and tsunami. Let's start 21st full moon's chart. Let's analyze together. By the way, I don't make a video very rarely. I make video because now I'm writing some books. Second book is its name is Mathematics of Universe. So this is very important to me. I hope next year I translate and publish this book and you enjoy with this book. Let's start analyzing 21st full moon. Step by step, let's examine full moon's chart step by step. Why this full moon is very risky, especially in California state. I look city. I took San Francisco. First of all, this date is 21st July. 21st number is Neptunian number. Neptune is related to water being victim, Christianity, especially Neptune relation with water is because of Neptune is ruler of Pisces. Pisces is related to oceans. This is first, my friends. Secondly, ascendant is 21 Gemini in this full moon. This is second. 21st ascendant is also Neptunian degree, but it doesn't mean this is risky for San Francisco. This just gives us some clues. This is Neptunian time. Now, third, transit Neptune is 29 degree Pisces. Pisces is related to oceans and Neptune is also ruler of Pisces. But 29 degree is powerful Uranisian number. Remember my video about San Andreas earthquake. At this time, Neptune was 29 degree Aquarius and Uranus was 29 degree Pisces. Pisces is oceans and Uranus is related to earthquakes. It means earthquakes in oceans. Aquarius sign is related to earthquake and Neptune is related water. So Neptune and Uranus together, they create a powerful earthquake and tsunami, unfortunately. And many people died because of tsunami. 29 degree powerful Uranisian number. You know, Uranus is related to earthquakes, something unexpected. And this is powerful number. 11, 22, they are also Uranisian numbers, but 29 number is like, imagine, plutonic Uranisian number. Very powerful. Energy is very strong and is about to explode. Neptune is related to oceans. Also, Neptune is related to chemics, gas, or pandemics. It can happen also something pandemics. I don't know, but for San Francisco, This is risky. Now, other indicators. This full moon is 29 degree Cancer and Capricorn axis. This happens in Capricorn. Moon is in Capricorn and 29 degree. Again, powerful Uranus degree. Energy is about to explode. And Capricorn also related to mountains. So, California is mountain area, and we know that in California there are very big fault line, San Andreas fault line. So, all scientists expect maybe near future there can be earthquake in California. Other indicators about this risk out of astrology, in Sendai earthquake, this energy increased risk for now California fault line. So this is the time risk for San Francisco earthquake. Now look at this one. This is 29 degree moon and 29 degree sun, full moon, Capricorn Cancer axis, and this is Plutonic full moon. Moon conjuncts Pluto, something Plutonic. Continue. At this time, in full moon chart, MC is 29 degree Aquarius. Again, powerful Uranus number. And this is Aquarius sign. Aquarius sign is related to natural disasters, earthquakes. So this is other indicators which shows this full moon has some risk for San Francisco earthquake and tsunami. Let's continue. Look at Uranus. Uranus is in 12th house in Taurus. Taurus is a sign about Earth, and its number is 26. 26 is powerful Plutonic number. It means this is twice Plutonic number. Something, any kind of very powerful, which affects very large scale. This is 26 number. Uranus 26 number in 12th house, house of laws. And Mercury also 26 degrees. And this is square each other. Mercury is in third house. Third house is house of travels, communication. And Mercury is ruler of ascendant of full moon chart. And in third house is Plutonic degree, and it's square Uranus. What it means? Communication and traveling can block because of something like earthquake or tsunami. This is other very strong indicators. Okay, you see there are many strong indicators of this full moon is risky for California. Other risk, my prediction, maybe Russia can use Poseidon nuclear torpedo. We read in news, some news, it is called this nuclear torpedo, status 6 also called, can cause earthquake underwater and nuclear bomb, and then it causes tsunami. Why this is possible? Okay, I don't think Russia can do that because America is military might. Okay, Russia is also strong, but America is really the most advanced and powerful military army and technology. But look at this one. IC is Leo. Leo sign ruler is Sun. Sun is related also something like fire. Remember, when United States used atomic bomb in Japan, in Hiroshima, 6 August, and Nagasaki, 9 August. At this time, transit sun was in Leo. So, this is really risky, and ruler of Leo, sun is in Cancer. Cancer is under what? Cancer. It is natural ruler of IC. IC is deep, something under earth. So this is also second risk. Maybe Russia can use that. Okay, I don't think Russia can do that, but this shows this risk. Also, Mars is first degree Gemini. Gemini is like third house, also short travels. In 12th house, 12th house is like a Pisces, oceans, and 0 degree. Pluto also 0 degree. 0 degree, something Leo. And Mars and Pluto trine. Also, Mars trine Moon. So, Russia can use this torpedo, maybe, but in my opinion, I don't think. I don't think, but I just want to share with you this information. Uh, okay, we can't know future, but astrology is a tool to give us some information about future. Many scientists expect an earthquake in San Francisco today or not today, but it will happen. It is going to happen, inevitable. I hope nothing happens, but I just want to share this information with you. Let's hope nothing happen, but I must say this is really risky. Thank you for watching us. See you in next videos. Bye bye.